Hi, this is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the List Asset Holders node. If you don't know what a List Asset Holders node is, make sure you check out the previous video titled Understanding the List Asset Holders node, which you can do at this link. Let's jump in. Drag a List Asset Holders node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. Add the node's configuration information based on your needs to each field. Wire this node to a debug node and open the debug sidebar. Next, drag and drop an inject node to the Node-RED workspace and wire the inject node to the List Asset Holders node. Then, double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Select the drop-down Payload field and choose the JSON type. An ellipse button will appear to the right of the field. Click this ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as input to the Catenis node. For example, something like this, but using your own asset ID. Click the Done button. Then, click the Done button again to exit the Properties dialog box. Now, click Deploy. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of the Inject node to send the input from the Inject node through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the API call results to the right side of the workspace. Fantastic! Now you're ready for our next tutorial, where you'll learn how to work with the List Asset Holders node in interactive mode.